Hi all, welcome back. Today is 23rd December 2022, and today I have got a chance to take intraday trades in two stocks. One is Adani Ports and another one is Cholamandal Finance. Okay, and you can see that in Adani Ports I have booked the profit around 4,000 rupees, and in Chola Finance I have booked the profit around 3,700. Combining both, it is coming up to 7,700. Okay, so keeping this profits apart, I want to explain you the logic behind these two trades, and what is my entry point and what is my exit point to get these profits. So let us try to discuss these 2 points on these two stocks in this video. For that, I will go to the charts directly. Okay, so first let me go to Adani Ports. Okay, so in Adani Ports, I have plotted one key level actually. So let me go to 1 hour time frame once. Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame chart. And here I have plotted one key level. Okay, so you can see it very clearly, right? This Let me clear this session break so that you can see the price action clearly. Okay, so I hope it should be very much visible to you now. Okay, so we can see it very clearly that this level, whatever we have plotted, which is coming up to 1813 rupees, it is behaving as a good support and resistance when the price is trading above and below, respectively. So I have plotted this level during the day, and I was monitoring whether the price will come to this level or not. Okay, so let me go to the 5 minute time frame once. Okay, so here what I'm observing in the 5 minute time frame. Okay, let me add the session breaks again so that you can see the starting candle of the day. Okay, so this is the first 5 minute candle of the day. And from there onwards, the price is started falling down continuously. Okay, and we are seeing it clearly that there is no major buying attempt has also happened. Okay, but coming to this particular section, if I zoom in here from 1 minute, okay, so from 10 o'clock to 11:15 or 11:20, 1 hour 20 minutes duration, we can see that price is trading in this range only, right? It is traded in this range, but it is very much closer to the key support level. So buyers are trying their best to make the price not to fall to that support. So for this 1 hour 20 minutes duration, they were struggling. Buyers were trying their best to make the price to go up. Okay, and after multiple attempts in this 1 hour duration, we can see it clearly. They try to go up above the small resistance also. If I plot the small resistance, which they are taking during the day at that point of time. So you can see it very clearly. If I zoom it more, you can see it. Okay, there is a small resistance which is happening, which is taking place in this duration. And during 10:55 or 11 o'clock, they try to go even above that small resistance also, but it is very much clearly visible to us that none of the candle is closed above that sub resistance, and all have become a spike closing only. So every candle is closing below the resistance only, did not able to manage to close above that. So that means there is a clue that buyers are tried their best to go above and to give the signal here, but they did not able to manage it. So that give me some signal or some information that buyers are unable to make the price to move up. And I was waiting for the sell signal actually. And as I mentioned many times that we have to wait for the sell signal also along with the spikes above the body of the candle. So the signal which I have taken is this candle, right? So if you see, if I plot in this way, there is a small support, right, which price has taken in this zone to reach, okay, in this zone to reach to that resistance. So this is a small support level. I've seen a good red candle, complete red candle, no spikes above and below, and closed below that support. And this give me it gave me a good signal for to take the short position. So I have entered a short position here, and I have kept my target at the key support level which we have plotted. So I entered here. My target is this one, exactly the support. And first I kept my stop loss just above uh, the small resistance and even above the maximum attempt they have given by buyers. So I kept above that level. But slowly, once price falling down continuously, I started bringing down my stop loss also. So finally, I kept my stop loss just above this green candle. Okay, the last green candle which has happened on 11:35. So there I have kept my stop loss, and I was waiting. Slowly during after 1 o'clock, around 1 o'clock, I booked my profit. So this is what the trade. So you can extend here also. I didn't. I was lucky that my stop loss did not got triggered here, even though there was some sort of buying attempt. So this is how I have taken the position in Adani ports. Okay, so the point which I want to highlight in this particular position is we have seen the buyers attempt here, and buyers are unable to give the good signal to the traders to take the buy position. They tried their best to go up, and unfortunately, all the candles are closing. Closings are not good, and they are closing below the resistance also. So there, they have given the sign or signal of the buyer's weakness. Along with that, we have got a good red candle also, which is falling below the key support, means small support level. So that gave us the uh, signal to take the position also. So that is what we have done in the Adani ports today. And a similar kind of behavior has happened in the Chola Finance also. I have taken trade there. So same kind of behavior. So first, let me explain you the key level. I have plotted the key level here. So let me zoom out here. Okay, I will go to 1 hour time frame here also. Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame, and you can see it very clearly that how strong that support is, right? So this is a very strong support. The reason is from this support only. When the price took this support at that level, it went up to this zone, whatever it's 800 zone or 800 to 810 zone, right? So this is a key support level, and also when the price fell down to that level also, it gave multiple times, it has given support also. 1 2 3 4 5 6, almost 6 times it has given good support. And finally again today it is coming towards that key support level. So here also I was watching for the same kind of behavior that we have observed in the Adani ports. So let me go to 5 minute time frame chart once. So here what has happened is, let me add the session break. Okay, so here I've added session break, and this is the first candle of the day, and slowly started falling down, and finally it went below the support also, right? The key level which we have drawn. And now I'm observing one kind of behavior that which we have which we have discussed in yesterday video also. So after reaching to the support or after falling below the support, buyers again managed to bring it up. And what we are seeing is, again, after coming to some extent, all the candles what we are observing duration during 10:40 p.m. AM to somewhat 11:10, half an hour duration. These buyings has happened, but none of the candles are closed above the previous candle high, and all are the spikes only, right? There are spikes above the body of the candle, which is comparatively bigger than the spikes below the body of the candle. So all are spikes. Buyers are not getting signal here. So, and along with that, as I mentioned every time, along with that, we have got the good red candle, which is closing below the support, right? So this candle, this 11:20 AM candle, I've got the signal and I've taken the short position here also. And my target is that just below the key support level. You may ask me why below the key support level, why not exact the support level is. The price has already fell to fell below the support also. So there is a chance that it may go to some extent. So that's the reason I kept the stop loss, target just below the support, and my target stop loss is this one, right? So this is what the position we have taken in the Chola Finance. And if you observe both the price actions and both the logics for the positions, it's very common and same, almost same, because buyer's failure, and along with that, a clear red candle, complete red candle or a complete bearish candle gave us the signal to take the short positions. So this is what the pattern which we have used in two trades. I hope this this pattern, whatever we have explained today, and the same pattern I've explained in the last videos also, yesterday video or the day before yesterday video also, I've explained the same pattern, and we are utilizing it and we are getting profits out of it. So I hope you also understand this pattern and you also practice this very much to get the good decision while taking the positions, and also entry points should be as sharp as possible. So keep practicing this kind of strategy. I hope this should be very much helpful for you also. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.